Hi guys, I'm Bunny and I am here to do the unboxing video for the summer version of the Pusheen box. Ta-da! And this is the summer version of 2018. And I'm not quite sure what theme is this. It got some like sprinkler sparkles on the top. You got the tails, you got the feet, right? So I'm pretty excited to open and see what's in it. Okay, so alright. Wow, okay. So it looks like there's a card here. Theme is server Pusheen. Okay, let's see. So I guess it's summer version. We have paper straws. They got paper straws. Cool. It's very cute. They got the little designs on the straws here. Yeah. We have, what is this? Inflatable beverage float. Yeah, so I guess when you're in the water, you can inflate this and you can put your little cups in it. Let me open this up maybe. Yeah. So when you're at the pool, you can inflate it and put your cup in it. Alright. We have, a t-shirt. Looks like a shirt. Or a tank top. Got a tank top. Let me see. These little Pusheen eating ice cream. Yeah. I like the color. The sky color. It looks like they're on a beach. It's adorable. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's next on the item. We have unicorn Pusheen eating ice cream. It's like a water bottle. BPA free hand wash only water bottle. That's very cute. Good for the summer. Ooh. Oh, we got a plushie. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, so cute. I love this. Ta-da! A little Pusheen on the floating ring. Ta-da! And we have 3 more big boxes. Let's see what they are. What is this? Mini Pusheen unicorn pop. A flower pot, I guess. Let me just open it up to see what is it. And at the back, it has these plant. I guess those are the stuff that you can use. Let me just see, what is it? Styrofoam everywhere. Oh, so it's like a teapot with a unicorn. And there's a little top that goes on top. Like this. It's very cute. This is perfect for me because I love to drink tea. Right. This is so cute. Ta-da! Alright. Gonna put this back here. If I hate the styrofoam sound. So I figured I had to put it back. That's okay. Alright, I'll just leave this to the side. We'll deal with that later after. And we have, what is this? Server Pusheen. Do. It's kind of dark in here. Ta-da! Let me see if I can focus on here. It's cute. They have some little sunglasses. Okay. And last but not least, we have this, a fan. Pusheen fan. Perfect for hot weathers, especially this weekend. It's gonna like, apparently supposed to feel like 36 degrees Celsius. So this is perfect for me for the weekend. Alright, I think that is about it. That's all in the box. So far, I'm very happy, especially with the plushie. I collect plushie if you guys didn't know, and I'm just very happy. And also about the teapot too. Alright, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time with my next Pusheen box. Bye!